Hey, welcome to the channel. So what if I told you there's a tool that can scrape leads faster, easier, and simpler than most tools out there with no monthly fees? Would you be interested? Well, today we're going to break it down with Lead Sniper versus Phantombuster. Let's see who wins.
All right, Phantombuster, let's go. So, Phantombuster versus Lead Sniper. Now, how does it work? We're going to jump in. We're going to see which one is the best bang for your buck. So, here we can see what Phantombuster is. You can get a free trial, and you can scrape leads from LinkedIn. You can also send follow-up messages. So it's like a LinkedIn type of bot, AI. You can send leads here, Phantom flows, but I also want leads from Google. So I can see they have Instagram, a bunch of these used now. So this is a bit, there's tons and tons of stuff here. I can get it from Sales Navigator, Google, Instagram, HubSpot. But the problem is then it's kind of like, okay, there's tons of options. What do you do? And where do you go? Kind of like if you look at a menu, you have a million different things to eat. The illusion of choice can be an issue. You can get a 14-day trial, which is good, but what does the pricing look like? All right, here's the problem. You can start free, but then it's $56 per month paid annually. But what is the monthly billing? Because we can see the annual. So $69 is just to get started. It's 20 hours a month, 5 slots. Then it goes, their most popular is $159 and $439. So that's Phantombuster. A lot of good stuff because you can pull from different social medias. But here I can get all of the things on it. Tim Hortons, Ambassador, whatever business I want, I can get. And it's just $149 one time. There's no monthly fees, and I can do a free trial. Save time, get all the data I need, literally all the fields that I want to get. And the best part is it's very, very easy to use. And as we can see, a lot of great people are really excited about it. All these testimonials, and they have FAQs. So guys, I would say this looks really good, especially it's gonna save my wallet and my time. But let's see it in action. All right, so here we can see restaurants. I'm gonna pull them up. I think I'm going to take a look at Massachusetts right here. And I'm also gonna pull some right here, Lexington. So let's go. We can see all the restaurants are populating as I just go ahead and hit start. And I'm completely hands-free, which is really nice. Now just download this as an XLS file, download, boom, and we're good to go. It's just that simple. Then I can pull the file here, and that's it. And we can see all the restaurants right here. You can see all the emails, all that type of stuff. Not only that, but we can see the @ signs, we can see, the websites, everything, email from, and that's really good. Phone numbers, things like that. So, very easy to pull this stuff, very simple to do.
Unfortunately, Phantombuster got busted. No pun intended, but the best way to get those leads effectively with no monthly fees, it's Lead Sniper.